Come on, Mo, let's go!
My name is Mubarak, but everyone call me Frankie, so Frankie Jones for everyone, and I'm a street soccer adult program coach. It's shown me the responsibility as well, learning a lot and socialize with people more. It's such a really great things, like when you taking care of people as well from different backgrounds, and you support them and provide them like what you learn from your coaches, because when I came here to the street soccer as a player, I learned a lot from my coaches. We have refugees, we have people like with mental health issues, we got asylum seekers as well, we got people from different backgrounds. So you're dealing with vulnerable people, dealing with people from different backgrounds, and then it's really amazing. It's added a lot to my life as well.
The national team Scotland, and also after that I went into club management as a head coach.